When you deal with complex layouts, making things responsive can quickly become a nightmare. In this video, I will show you how you can make elements responsive with one line of CSS using main and clamp methods, and that completely changed how building responsive UI without writing tons of media queries. Most developers only use them for font size, but they are useful for much more. In this video, I will show you how you actually I use them in real world projects, which I use them in my portfolio website. As you see here, this entire section is built almost entirely using min and clamp methods, and there are almost no breakpoints tweaks for fonts for size. Only a few lines for layout changes. First, add the clamp for font size for our H2 title. So the title scales with the viewport, but it never goes below 4 RAM and never above 6 RAM. Clamp takes 3 values, as you see, minimum, preferred, and maximum. And we move to add spacing without breakpoints for our items using the min method, because based on our layout, spacings need to be tighter on smaller screens and more generous on large screens. So instead of writing multiple breakpoints, lookup scales with the viewport size, but it never becomes larger than 40 pixels. And for responsiveness of our video cards, we use the main method because we want them to be 150 pixels on large screens, but scaled down naturally on smaller screens. So the width follows the viewport and scrapped at 350 pixels as a maximum size. And for overlay typography, we want them to scale automatically with focus. So we use clamp for their font size. And note something, all these elements scale together, but mean I don't need separate breakpoints, just to tweak size everywhere. And as you see, the media queries that remain are only for layout change, not for micro adjusting size. This removes a huge amount of responsive busy work, and that's it. So instead of writing tons of breakpoint tweaks, you can let the browser handle the scaling for you. The min method helps you to set smart limits for layouts, and clamp gives you a fluid scaling without breakpoints. If you build animation or complex UI, these two functions can save you a lot of time. If you enjoy real-world CSS tips like this, consider subscribing. I share practical techniques I use in my real projects. Thanks for watching.